Hi, this is Rob from Cumulus Cycles. In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker Desktop on a Mac with an M1 chip. First, go to the docker.com website and then select the Products menu. From here, click Docker Desktop. As mentioned, since I'm on a Mac with an M1 chip, I'll click the Mac with Apple chip button to start the download. Next, double-click the installer in your Downloads folder and drag the Docker icon to the Applications folder. Next, click the Docker icon to launch Docker Desktop. Accept the terms and wait for Docker Desktop to start. Now, launch a terminal and execute the following command to check the Docker version. Execute the docker image ls command, and we'll see that we have no images on our local machine. Docker container ls will confirm we have no containers. Using the Docker Desktop GUI, you can also click on containers and images and see the same. Now, let's execute the following command to pull an image from Docker Hub. We can see the image has been downloaded, and it's also visible in the Images tab of Docker Desktop. And if we do a docker image ls, we see it listed in the terminal as well. Now, let's run a container instance of the Hello World image. And we see that was successful. And we see the terminated container in Docker Desktop, but if we do a docker container ls in the terminal, it's not listed. So if we do a docker container ls -a, we'll see the terminated container instance. So that completes this video on installing Docker Desktop on an M1 Mac. I hope it was helpful.